Dear listeners, welcome again. In the last lecture, we have already discussed about the conditional search. So now in this video, we are going to learn how to update data from database. So let's get started. Okay, now we create an activity, empty activity. Named edit activity and finish. Okay, now copy the design from insert activity. Okay, paste it here and just update the button, text update, and change the ID update. Okay, design part is done. Okay, now go to the adapter on bind view holder. Now we add the listener of recycler view item view holder.item view dot set on click listener new view on click listener intent new intent context edit activity dot this dot class intent dot put extra. Actually we parse the data from this adapter to edit activity. Holder.name dot get text to string same as for email and phone. So here we also parse the ID, person ID, person dot get position, that means I dot get ID, context dot start activity intent. Okay, now go to the edit activity, taking binding variable activity edit binding binding equals to activity edit binding dot inflate get layout inflator binding dot get root. Binding dot name dot set text get intent dot get string extra and name. So this spelling and this spelling must be same, otherwise we cannot parse the data from one activity to another activity. Same as for email and phone. Now we take the variable of API interface and initialize the retrofit. Now we add the on-click listener of update button, set on-click listener, new view on-click listener. Okay, now we add the progress bar, progress dialog, edit activity dot this. So now go to the 000 web host, manage website, tools, file manager, upload files, public HTML API. Now we create an API for update data. So edit person.php. So write the necessary code. I just copy and paste it here. And now change the credential of database. I just copy from previous API and just paste it here. Okay, now update the SQL. Update person, name, email and phone number. So this name must be same as database column name. Set name equals to name variable. Set email equals to email and same as phone number. And where ID equals to ID, and this ID comes from the Android applications. Okay, our API is done. We just copy the file name and go to the API interface and create a post method and change the file name, edit person.php, and update the method name, edit person. Now we create a model class object, model person equals to new model person. Model person dot set ID, get intent dot get string extra, name ID, and set name get intent get string extra, email and phone. Now call the API interface dot edit person model person dot enqueue new callback, and on response we show the toast message update successfully, and in the on failure we show the toast update failed. So start activity, new intent, edit activity dot this comma list activity dot class. So when it updates successfully, then we go to the edit activity to list activity. Dialog.dismiss. So okay, let's check our code. Show person list. I want to update Tanvir name, Tanvir Hassan, and update. but it not update actually. So let's check the code again. There is a mistake. Binding.name.get text to string, same as for email and phone. Okay, now recheck the code. Show person list, and I want to update Tanvir Hassan. Just click the update, and as you can see that this name has been updated. Now I want to update Fahad Gmail, fahad01@gmail.com, and Fahad Gmail address is also updated, so it's working fine. Wonderful. So that's all about in this video. Thank you everyone.